Hey guys, Michael here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to subscribe to Spotify. And once Spotify is open, in this section here at the bottom, you see Premium. Tap on Premium. And on the Premium page, you'll find several subscriptions in this section that you can select from. So depending on the country you have, offers here may differ. Here you find the least available plan, which is the Premium account. The Premium account with one Premium account, and you can cancel anytime. You get the Student account, which you get one verified Premium account, discount for eligible students, and cancel anytime. Duo, which allows two Premium accounts and cancel anytime. And finally, Family plan, which allows up to 6 Premium accounts, control content marked as explicit, and cancel anytime. Now choose your preferred plan in this section. And on the next page, you need to choose how to pay. If you're using an Android device, you see Google Play and Spotify. So anyone you choose have different offer. You might be eligible for a free trial or you need to pay. So choose your preferred option and tap on continue. On the next page, you need to enter your payment details. Once you're done entering those details, tap on complete purchase. And once the payment is processed, you're all set. Now you no longer see the premium navigation. So thank you for watching this video. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.